Welcome back to the channel. If you're out on a ride or a walk today, pull over with me for a quick 3-minute reset. Grip your bike frame or a nearby tree, soften your knees, and begin to ripple your spine. Inhale, rounding your back, tucking your chin. Exhale, waving your spine forward, opening your chest to the sky. We are priming the nervous system, waking up the fluid dynamics of the spine, and washing away that rigid riding posture. Keep your hand on the seat for support. Step wide and sink into a smooth lateral side lunge. As you shift your weight, let your free arms sweep across your body. Crossing the midline of your body like this forces both brain hemispheres to communicate, which instantly lowers mental stress and sharpens your spatial awareness. Let's try the other side. Think of moving like water, feeling the strength of your legs and the open air around you. Really nice work. To finish, stand tall and let just one finger rest on your bike for light support. Float your outside leg off the ground into a gentle balance. Now soften your eyes. Expand your vision to the sides, taking in the trees, the clouds, and the trail using your peripheral vision. Broadening your gaze shifts your brain out of high alert focus and activates an instant state of calm. Let's try the other side. Take some deep breaths in and exhale audibly, and enjoy the rest of your ride. If you got lots out of this, please like, share, and subscribe. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.